In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to get the Cash App card under 18. So first, you need to access your Cash App on your mobile device and access your account by entering your credentials. And once you're in, you're just going to click the profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, under the account and settings, you just have to click on the family accounts, and under that, you'll be able to invite under 18 or invite a teen in your family. You just have to click the green icon or the green logo, which is the invite 18. After that, you'll be able to invite family accounts under 18, and you should actually send them the invitation link for them to able to get a cash up card under 18. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.